Right on, big. Okay, so hi. Okay, so I just heard that someone hacked my account, right? Was it my was it my son? So you better tell me. I'll give that guy a spanking. He's not here. I don't know what's wrong with that guy. What's wrong with young people? Okay, hacking into my account. All right, so never mind that. So we are now going to talk about in this video. We're going to talk about the portfolio of our stocks. Okay, so we have three stock exchange index now, three portfolio. First, we have the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Then we have the Philippine Stock Exchange Index, and the recently added ISEQ20 or the Irish Stock Exchange. So before we proceed, please subscribe to this channel, ring the notification bell, all notifications so that whenever we come up with a new video, including that hacking boy of mine, so you can be updated about new videos that come out. Alright? So without further ado, here is the monitoring of our stocks. Okay, so first we start with the Philippine Stock Exchange Index because this is the only positive that I have. This is the only positive news that I have. Alright, so as of September 25, which is yesterday, because today is September 26th, yes. September 25, yesterday, the market already went down to 5,838.60. It's now 0.77% down compared to the original uh, starting point. Right, so the market is down. Remember that 0.77%. These are our stocks. AGI is 707, BPI 6350, DMC is at 405, GT Cap is at 395, LTG, Lushutan Group is at 895, Metro Bank is at 3760, Security Bank is at 9180, Globe is at 2120, Mega World is at 2.93, RLC is at 14.64, and we have extra cash of 4,587.50. This is all computed in Excel, so we have now the total of 102,627.50, which is 2.628% versus the original portfolio. And if you compare that uh, with the savings in the bank, this is already 26.3 years of savings, right? Because they earn, it earns about 0.1% in the bank. Of course, we went down because last time we were already 4% up, right? But so did the market. Okay, so the ratio is at 16.994. This was from the beginning. So comparatively, our ratio is at our index component is at 6,038.79, which is 200.19 points versus the market, above the market, 200.19 points above the market. And we are now plus 3.40% versus the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Right. So those are the good news. After this, stop playing the video already. Because for Dow Jones Industrial Average, this is what we have. So September 25, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is at 27,173.96. It is now down 1.78% versus the original. These are the stocks that we have. Cisco is at 38.45. Goldman Sachs is at 194.95. Honeywell is at 161.49. IBM 118.95. Intel Corporation 49.94. JPM 93.47. Merck is at 82.93. UNH is at 302.5. While Verizon is at 59.39. So computing, our portfolio now is at 10,060.40, which is 2.33% down versus the original position we have, right? So comparatively, the index is at 27,020.90, while the index of the Dow Jones is at 27,173.96. So while the index is down only 1.78, our index is down 2.33%. So we are now 153.06 points below the market, or we are underperforming the market by 0.55% compared to the original position. Right, so boo, yeah, we're not performing well in the US. Now for the newly done portfolio in the ISEQ 20, this is what we have. ISEQ 20 started at 1098.62 in September 25, and it finished the day at 1109.42, which is about 0.98% versus the start. Our stocks are the following: Cairn Homes, cost is 0.77, closed at 0.77. CRH started at 30.44, it closed at 30.64. Glanbia started at 8.75, it closed at 8.83. Hibernia rate 1002, it now closed at 0.98. It's down. Irish Residential rate 1.342 down to 1.314. It was a pretty bad idea getting all those rates, huh? Smurfit Kappa 31.68 now down 31.54. Total produce from 1.136 now at 1.14. So computing, we have now a portfolio at 10,909. The divisor is at 1,095.01. This is already 14.41 points below the market. We're below the ISEQ 20. And we are down 0.33% versus the original portfolio. But this is all just one day. Right? So we are both underperforming at Ireland and in the US, but we are performing better against the Philippine markets. So that's it for today. I hope we get to analyze more of the markets tomorrow. So what we will do is to do FTSE for the UK and also Australia. I forgot about the Euro Stocks 50, so we'll do Euro Stocks 50 because we already have the analysis of that. So that's it. So good luck. Hope that we get better and better every day. So good luck on all your trades. This is Dream Shadow TV. Don't mind my son. Just focus on what we have. Thank you very much. Bye.